Rajendra Chola I. Rajendra Chola I, also known as Rajendra I, was one of the most notable rulers of the Chola Empire, which was a powerful dynasty in South India. He reigned from approximately 1012 CE to 1044 CE and was the son of the famous Chola king, Raja Chola I. Here are some key aspects of Rajendra Chola I's reign and contributions. Military conquests. Rajendra Chola I is renowned for his military campaigns and conquests. He expanded the boundaries of the Chola Empire through successful military expeditions. He led expeditions into various regions, including Sri Lanka, the Maldives, parts of present-day Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Rajendra Chola I established Chola dominance over the seas and was known for his naval prowess. Naval power. Rajendra Chola I built and maintained a formidable navy, which played a crucial role in expanding and protecting the Chola Empire's maritime interests. He constructed a large fleet of warships known as the 1,000 warships and established a strong naval presence in the Indian Ocean. The Chola Navy facilitated trade, controlled strategic ports, and extended Chola influence in Southeast Asia. Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Rajendra Chola I built the magnificent city of Gangaikonda Cholapuram as the new capital of the Chola Empire. The city served as a center for administration, culture, and religion. The Brihadiswara temple in Gangaikonda, Cholapuram, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is another architectural masterpiece and is considered one of the most important Chola temples. Administrative reforms. Rajendra Chola I implemented several administrative reforms, focusing on efficient governance and centralized administration. He appointed officials known as Mandala Adhikaris to oversee the administration of various regions within the empire. Rajendra Chola I also introduced land reforms, including irrigation systems and land surveys, to improve agriculture and increase revenue. Patronage of arts and literature. Like his father, Raja Chola I, Rajendra Chola I was a great patron of art, literature, and culture. He supported and encouraged Tamil literature, and his court was a gathering place for poets, scholars, and intellectuals. Rajendra Chola I himself composed several poems and inscriptions, showcasing his literary talent. Rajendra Chola I's reign marked a golden period in the history of the Chola Empire. His military conquests, naval expeditions, administrative reforms, and patronage of the arts contributed to the empire's grandeur and influence. The Chola Empire under Rajendra Chola I reached its zenith, leaving a significant impact on South Indian history, culture, and maritime trade.